Today I want to show you how to make octagonal post on the table saw. I'm Steve Gaskins with Fine Woodworking of South Carolina. Welcome to my shop. First we're going to set our blade at 45 degrees. We're going to take our square blank, lay it against the blade, bring the fence to barely kisses the corner of the square blank. Now I'm going to lower the blade to make the cut. Well, there you go, an octagonal post on the table saw with no math. Listen, if you like this content, I would really like for you to subscribe to my channel, like and share the video. Leave me a comment. I would love to know what you think about this video. Love and appreciate you guys. God bless.